Here's what you're getting with this unfair advantage upgrade. Go limitless as you're getting unlimited everything. No more worrying about anything and focus on growing your business leaps and bounds. You'll have no limits to what you can do and take your business to the next level. Coursova Elite Upgrade enables you stand out of the crowd, and the best part is that you can go limited for one-time price, but only for limited time. Build unlimited pro-level academies to spread the power of your knowledge and get your students spellbound. Create a separate academy for each niche, business, or your clients. You have no limits on what you create and make with Coursova Elite. Run all your clients' academies on your own domains with unlimited custom domains. It will instantly build your authority and credibility by showing your pro academies on your own domain with your own logo. It also gives you better exposure in search engines. Create unlimited courses for each of your academies. Yeah, there is no limit at all. Elite Edition gives you the power to create unlimited courses with unlimited lessons in any niche for any audience in a hassle-free manner. Get unlimited website visitors on your website, marketplace or blog views. There are absolutely no limits on your website, marketplace or blog views and number of visitors. So, sky is the only limit for your growth online. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Maximize lead generation, capture unlimited leads. When someone grabs your free courses on your marketplace, Garb reports on lead pages, and when users subscribe to your academy using social media. You also can manage contacts easily in one central dashboard. Host and dump. Deliver unlimited video trainings and dump files to your pro academies. Coursova Elite enables you add unlimited videos and images to your pro academies so as to make the most of your knowledge and dump. Get your students completely amazed. Going unlimited alone is of huge value for your business, but that's not all. We've ensured you get everything to succeed with your e-learning business. Get unlimited bandwidth to give best user experience. We mean every word when we say limitless. So with the Elite Edition, you get unlimited bandwidth to give best user experience without getting worried of any limitations of file size, rich media content and content uploading and downloading bandwidth. Get Max Drive Elite by Hour.com to host, manage and dump. Deliver unlimited media content, video trainings and dump all your marketing files with 100% security. It works seamlessly with your Coursova to add videos to your courses quickly and dump smoothly. Create unlimited folders and their subfolders. Even share them with your students, customers, clients or team members. Fetch and dump. Sync valuable data of your own and your clients effortlessly with Google Drive, OneDrive and dump Dropbox integration. It comes with unbreakable file security with SSL and dump auth-enabled login. Give your academy site a pro-level look and dump feel. Customize your academy sites with 20 unique color themes. Make your academy website including blog, marketplace and dump membership site appear more elegant and dump appealing for your target audience to enhance the visitor engagement. No need to rush into website designers and paying them every time you want to alter your site aesthetics. Simply choose and give it a completely fresh look and dump feel. Multiply your leads with 30 lead generation pop-up templates. These are specially designed to make you the most from your website traffic. Just add your free stuff to a beautiful pop-up and you're good to grab your targeted leads. And we are not done yet, as there are many other features are there in this upgrade for you. Get 6 beautiful color templates of all the sales pages, affiliate page and dump thank you pages for our 5 video courses. All these pages come in 6 beautifully formatted and completely ready to use color templates. These comes with a flexible free flow editor to edit almost anything. Just use them and let the magic begin. Get done for you follow-up emails to multiply sales and dump profits. Send ready-to-use high-converting emails to the customers who opted in for free offer or purchased the basic product in damp. Make the most out of every single subscriber effortlessly. You will get those for all 5 DeFi courses. Complete set of professional graphics for your DeFi courses to use for consistent branding. We are serious about giving you every single thing you need to ensure you're branding consistently. You'll get complete set of e-cover graphics, download button, header and footer graphics and complete set of graphics for your PDF guides and presentation slides. Media library to manage all your images in one place. No more searching files on your desktop or rushing back to the designers. With Elite Edition, you can easily store and damp, manage all your images and videos at a central location. Just point and click and add them to your campaigns in no time. Get 10K plus free stock images for your products, marketplace, or social media posts. Eye-catchy images are best way to attract audience and get them hooked to your academies. So, with Elite Edition, you're getting the power of utilizing thousands of royalty-free images for your products, marketplace or social media posts. Advanced and deep analytics to track your growth and scale it further. Analytics are important to find out what went a success with your audience, which content made them to act and how they reacted, they liked, shared, commented, purchased a product, or made an exit. Gain each of the crucial metrics regarding your academy, blog and social campaigns right there in your dashboard. No more hiring a third-party analysis tool and getting confused on how to draw analysis. Register your students directly for your webinars with webinar platform integrations. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast 2 to 4 weeks maximum.